In this video, you're going to learn how to use Granola, which is an AI meeting notes enhancer that doesn't require a bot to join your calls. And I'm going to show you everything from how to begin AI note-taking, to turning your raw notes into AI-enhanced docs, building custom templates so they're always in the right format, chatting with your notes, using recipes to quickly get all the information you need, and how to set up the MCP so you always have your Granola history within ChatGPT or Claude when you're chatting with your LLM. And I'm going to show you everything that I do to save hours of my own time with this incredible AI note-taking tool. So if you don't know, Granola is an AI notepad that transcribes your meetings, combines the transcript with your raw meeting notes to create polished notes that are extremely useful. And you can also use the templates so you get fully customized documents ready for whatever purpose, whenever you need it. And because you can chat with those notes, you can surface all of the information you need in seconds. So it's essentially a second mini brain that stores all of the information from your past meetings for you, and an AI assistant that sorts out and organizes all of your notes just the way you want it. And I've been using Granola AI for over 6 months, and I think it's one of the most helpful AI meeting notes tools, whether you're in back-to-back meetings, one-on-one discussions, networking, and even creating content. And I'm going to show you that in a bit. And if you click the first link down in the description below, you can try Granola for free, and you can get 1 month for free on the Pro plan with the code ALEC. Let's look at how to begin AI note-taking. So once you're in Granola, this is what it looks like. At the top, you've got your meetings coming up, and at the bottom, you've got your meeting note history. And this is essentially synced with your calendar that you can go and sync within your settings that should happen during onboarding. So if I go to my settings and then I go to calendar, as you can see, I've got visible calendars right here and I can toggle them on and off. And to show you how Granola works, let's click on Quick Note at the top. So here, it looks like a regular notepad. I can go and add my title, so we might call this content sync, and then we might want to discuss the different social media platforms and be like social media content for different platforms, right? And then we would go through and take our notes just like we would anywhere else, except Granola is actually transcribing everything I'm saying right now. So as you can see, I can show the transcript and we can see all of the words that are being said right now, me talking into the microphone. And the great thing is that Granola captures the audio from the microphone so that the laptop's receiving, and also from the system audio. This means that if I open up YouTube and then I go and click on a video, as simple as the presenter turns into ice, you want to go to standard. And so as you can see, the internal audio is now also being transcribed, just like the external audio. And so essentially, everything is captured in Granola. And now if I go ahead and close these notes, during the entire meeting, everything's being transcribed, and I can also go and take some notes. And so social media content for different, we might want to add platforms, and then we might want to write down keywords that we think are great. So for example, Instagram stories, right? We want to talk about content for Instagram stories, and then we might talk about YouTube community posts. And once the meeting is finished, we then go ahead and click the stop transcript, and then we can click enhance notes. And now basically, based on the transcript and the notes that we've given it, Granola creates a ultra polished version of the notes and all of the highlights that it pulled from the transcript. And now these notes aren't that good because it was based on the transcript of everything I've just said during this recording and the random YouTube video we pulled up. But if you do it within a meeting, you'll get some really nice polished notes with the exact points that you want. And so the important thing here is to write down key themes. And if I was to go back to my rough notes, I can actually make changes after the meeting is finished. And I do want to mention that you can add a £sign to add like a specific heading to know that you want this to be like one of the title parts of your notes. And then we could go back to our enhanced notes. And if I click on it, we can then redo them. And now, as you can see, YouTube should be one of the title headers. There it is. As you can see, we've got YouTube being one of the key sections. And now a really cool thing with Granola, if I go back to a previous meeting, is that we can go and ask it some questions. And so here, I've got some notes from a previous call that I had, right? And so if I wasn't sure of the information, or I couldn't quickly find it, or maybe it's like a really specific detail that isn't actually even in the notes, I could go and chat with the notes specifically. So I could be like, what is the best CTR for YouTube, and then just hit enter. And then I get a response from Granola that's based on the transcript and my notes. And the incredible thing, if I go back to the homepage, is that I can even chat with my entire note history. And so as you can see, I can do all of my notes or recent, and we can even include the latest 25 transcripts. And so you can quickly find the information you need without having to browse all of your notes. You simply ask it and the information comes to you. And Granola is great for speed because during meetings and after meetings, you can use things called recipes. And recipes are essentially micro prompts that allow you to get exactly what you need out of your notes a lot faster. And to begin using recipes, we simply go to the chat box and you can hit /. And now we've got all of the suggested recipes. And at the top, you can even see one of mine, which is YouTube titles. And basically, these are micro prompts. So I could basically do list my to-dos, and then I hit enter, and now I'm going to get all of the to-dos based off of this meeting. And as you can see, now I've got the to-do list. And if I hit the / again, I've got a bunch of different other recipes, and you can even create your own or browse a bunch that are made by a bunch of creators, investors, people in tech like Nikita Beer, Lenny Rachitsky, and there's a bunch more super useful ones for all different kinds of use cases. And to create a new recipe, when we hit the / in the chat box, we can simply click create recipe. And it can either be a single meeting recipe or multiple meeting recipe. And for example, one that I've made, which is a single meeting recipe, is one which pulls all of the YouTube titles ideas from the sync that we just had, or the meeting we just had, because I often talk about content and YouTube, and I like to quickly grab all of the titles from that meeting so I can save them as ideas and quickly sort through them without having to look at the full transcript, and I didn't even have to write any of them down during the meeting. And so if we take a look at this recipe right here, the best format is to provide context to the meeting note as soon as possible, then give it a little bit more context about yourself. So here I've just told it what I am, what I do, and then I've got the rules and exactly what I'm looking for. I've got the output format, and then finally a little additional ideas section and potential series or connections, just to see if there are any like trends or series or basically content ideas that I can turn into a series of content. And so if I went back to my meeting, I then hit / and did YouTube titles, I hit send. As you can see, now I've got all of the YouTube title ideas in the format that I asked it for. And as well as creating custom recipes, you can also create custom templates so you get an output of your notes in the format that you like every single time. If we quickly do a new note and I start talking, and we're just talking about YouTube, let's just do YouTube ideas. And then here we're talking about, OBS, we're talking about Google Meets, we're talking about AI workflows, how to improve your workflow in AI. YouTube, you need a good CTR. We're talking about a bunch of random things. It's all being taken into account in the transcript. And now if we were to finish, we stop and then we click generate notes. What I can do at the top is click on this enhanced notes section. And then as you can see, I've got a YouTube growth sessions template. And so if I click on this one, my notes are now formatted into the exact structure that I want every single time. And so you can basically have templates for every single different type of call that you have, whether it's a brainstorm session, whether it's a one-on-one, whether it's like a really specific niche meeting. For example, every week I have a call about my YouTube channel, and that way it's always in the same format. I'm not having to, quickly adjust it, restructure it, or search through it for long because I know exactly where everything is. It's always in the same format. I've always got the ideas, then I've got the growth and the strategies, the tools that we mentioned, the action items at the end, and then finally the follow-ups. And this is the best structure for this meeting, but I could actually then change that structure for a different one. And again, you can browse templates because there are a lot, and you can even create your own, just like I've done right here with the different sections. And so I can simply apply the template, and that template is applied. And now in the chat box, I also do want to mention that you can, by the way, change the exact model that you use to chat and that you use with Granola. And then you also can attach images and files within the chat, but I haven't yet found much use for that. So if you have any, let me know in the comments. And now the final thing that's actually very, very useful and that Granola have literally just released a few days ago is the possibility to connect it to ChatGPT or Claude through MCP. What does this mean? Connecting Granola to ChatGPT or Claude through MCP means that your notes and conversations automatically flow into the AI that you already use. So it understands the full context and history without you having to copy everything and paste it in manually. So in simple terms, Granola becomes a shared memory that lets AI give smarter and more relevant answers to you based on what you've already discussed. And to do it, it's actually very simple, but you do need a pro plan with Granola and a pro plan with either ChatGPT or Claude. And you likely have one of those already. And with Granola, if you click, again, the first link in the description down below, you can get 1 month on the pro plan for free. And while we're at it, I quickly want to thank Granola for sponsoring this video. With that being said, this is how to use the Granola MCP. So if I click on my profile and I go to settings, as you can see here, we've got MCP. And to use it, you basically need to go to the AI that you use. So here in Claude, I simply want to click on the plus icon right here and then go down to connectors and click on manage connectors. Then I want to go to the top right and I want to click browse connectors. And now here we can see Granola. And if you can't see it, just type Granola in the search bar. And now I simply click connect. And now it's just opened up a tab where I quickly need to allow access. And then if I open Claude back up, now if I click on the plus icon, go to connectors, as you can see, Granola is connected. And so now I could quickly ask Claude, what is the best click-through rate based on my latest Granola notes? And as you can see, it's pulled out the 10% that we were referring to earlier in the previous notes, and it's also pulled out a different video which got 6.3 CTR. And so it's got full context of all of my Granola meeting notes. And so when you think about it, you can then go and start writing scripts and doing work within Claude, and it has context of all of your meeting notes in Granola, which is super important. And so you've essentially got this powerful AI assistant brain all working together. But that is how to start using Granola to take AI meeting notes, enhance them, and plug it into your AI workflow to become much more efficient and save hours of your time. And if you want to get started, you can click the first link in the description down below. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And with that being said, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you to Granola for sponsoring this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.